I'm gonna be honest. I'm feeling way too bloated to put on makeup. But I want to open my boxes. So I have the Ipsy, what is it called? It's not the Glam Bag X. Icon box. And I have a few thoughts about that. This is my paid box. And behind me is my PR boxes. They came too. So all in one day. We're going to open this up. And I know it's like $60 and something now that I paid for it. And we're going to see if it's worth it. I don't know, guys. Oh. I hate it when stuff leaks. And look at that. Oh. All right. Well, hey guys, it's Karen. Welcome back to my channel. Sorry for my appearance, but it's just one of those days where I drank a lot of coffee. I went to work, got home, was feeling bloated, nauseous, all that stuff. And then I saw my boxes and I was like, I want to share them with the world. Oh man. Ugh. This sucks. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, this thing literally exploded. Holy crap, guys, look. What in the world? Well, this is unacceptable. Oh my gosh, all right. We're off to a great start. Okay, let's see. I was not happy with the pics either. This is just disgusting. Oh my gosh, all right, so what do we get? 6 items, 8 items? I don't know. Look at how, yeah. All right. Well, there's a paper in here. It's weird because, I don't know. Anyhow. And this should have prices in it. And a little bit about the products. So, I'm just going to go through this. Oh. Yeah. Okay. Too Faced Killer Liner. This here. I was looking forward to getting this. I think this might be one of the items that I chose. I'm gonna go ahead and open her up. I was looking for a new black liner, so I was kind of happy about this here. I'm hoping that, it says it's 36 hour, it's non-flaking. It's definitely super pigmented. I'm loving that. So I will find the price and I'll put it on the screen for you. Let's see the next item in this little package here. Feels like a heavy jar. Ooh, that's a pretty, okay, it says Redo It Boost. It's gonna have to remind me of what the hell this is because I don't remember. Let's look in the pamphlet, shall we? All right, so this is a tool. It doesn't tell me really anything about it. At least I haven't come across anything. And it does have a high value. I'll put that on the screen for you. I'll have to figure out how to use that. Okay. Let's see what else we got in here. The MAC Magic Extension 5mm Fiber Mascara. So I think the very first company to come out with a fiber mascara was Unique, actually. Here's the wand. Okay, let's just see, shall we? Ooh, all right. Wow. Okay. I don't know if you can see that. I really don't have too many lashes, but it's definitely perking these babies up. Ooh, I like that a lot. You can definitely see a difference. Wow. Ooh, and I like the wand. This might be my new favorite. Check that out. Okay, cool. What do we got next? All right, brushes. Alamar. So here's your eye set. There's 3. Oh, you got a Steffi. Wait, I think they call it the eyeliner smudge brush or something like that. Lining brush. That little tight liner, but you know I call it a stiffy. Then it looks like we have a shader or a packing brush. Yes, I haven't heard that name in a while. That's what I usually call them. Love these brushes. And then you got your blending brush. Okay, I'm excited about that. Can always use brushes. Okay, then we have the Bobbi Brown Crushed Lip Color in the shade Babe. I'm gonna swatch her because I'm not feeling her right now, being that I don't want to kind of put her on. Oh, it feels creamy, but kind of oily. I don't know. The color's okay. I mean, doubt I'd wear it, but it's okay. Okay, then what do we have? By Aveda, Neutroplenish Styling Treatment Foam Mousse. I definitely love mousse. It definitely does thicken hair, so I'm excited about that. We have the Exploded product, which is supposed to be by Ren Glow and Protect Serum. And then last but not least, we have the Modern Renaissance, which came out in 2016. I kind of wasn't happy when I saw this because I've seen this in FabFitFun. I've seen it in other subscription boxes. And if I haven't mentioned one, let me know. I mean, this came out in 2016 and it's a gorgeous palette and we loved it, but why are we getting it again, you know, in 2023? That's like, I mean, I already have it and I'm pretty sure I have an extra from another subscription box. I'm just kind of like, why are we getting it? And I'm wondering if it's the same formula. I don't know. But overall, fine. I mean, can always give it to someone, but I'm pretty sure almost all of us have this palette, you know? Okay, so let's recap because that was everything. The Modern Renaissance palette, the Killer Liner by Too Faced, the Bobbi Brown lipstick, the Exploded Ren, the three-piece eye brush set, the really excited MAC Fiber Mascara, and then we have this tool, which I don't know how to use yet. I'll definitely have to figure this out. So that was everything in my, I almost said Glam Back X, my icon box. And the curator was Anastasia Beverly Hills. And I do like the fact that they had her other palette. The, what was it called? Primrose. That's pretty. I wish I would have gotten that one instead of this one since I already have it. And then they have the Soft Glam as well, which is just a mini version of the big Soft Glam. So I think we all have those. So I'm kind of not too excited about that. But overall, this wasn't a bad box. I will be definitely message them and hopefully they will fix my exploded product. I do know that somebody else had expired products or products that were going to expire soon. Oh, I forgot to tell you that the Aveda was in there too. I'm hoping that we don't have that problem now, but let me know what you guys think. If you've seen other unboxings, let me know down in the comments. I want to talk to you there, and thank you for taking the time to watch this video. I appreciate you guys so much, and I will definitely be posting my other boxes soon, so look for those, and I'll see you real soon in another video. Bye!